Are you actually done with dandruff and greasy scalp? Then watch this video till end. Greasy scalp or hair is a result of excess sebum production. Hence, you will get clogged pores, which means that blood circulation will be less and the supply of nutrients will not reach the hair follicles. There are many reasons of having greasy scalp, such as overwashing. Means if you wash daily, you will be stripping out natural oils from your scalp and harsh shampoo will damage your hair. Another reason of greasy hair is skin condition, such as psoriasis or dandruff. If you are suffering from hair loss due to oily hair, then it means that there is a possibility of damaged hair follicles. To reverse this damage, you need a proper hair care routine and do not skip it for a few months to see the results. The way we take care of our skin, same way we have to look after our hair and scalp as well. Now let's get into the remedy. To make this mask, you need aloe vera gel. Aloe vera helps with inflammation, which will result in repairing the damaged follicles. Due to the repair, the follicles will get enough supply of nutrients from the blood circulation. Hence, the production of sebum will reduce, which will treat your greasy scalp issue. Now, ingredient number 2 is ACV, apple cider vinegar. Now, ACV is great for hair. It not only gives you shine, but it also helps get rid of dandruff completely by cleansing your scalp buildup without stripping the natural oils. Please note, if you suffer from eczema, then please skip this ingredient as it may further irritate your skin. The third and final ingredient is amla oil. It's also called Indian gooseberry oil. As you all know, the great benefits of amla oil, its richness in vitamins and minerals make this oil extremely beneficial to the hair. It gives nourishing treatment to hair and scalp, which helps with hair growth. You can either make amla oil at home. You can check out my video in my channel. I've made amla oil and amla toners before and I've shared it on my channel. Or you can buy it from stores as well. Here I'm using a Dabur amla oil. Now mix these 3 ingredients thoroughly and apply this mixture to your scalp and hair. Gently massage with your finger beds. Now make sure every time you do massage your hair, you do not scratch your head or your scalp with your nails. It will damage your hair follicles, it will increase your hair fall. So always massage with your finger beds. Or if you have a lot of hair loss and you're scared of massaging, it's completely normal. I used to be scared as well. You can skip it completely until your hair have strength to bear the massage. Now massage about 4 to 5 minutes, or you can even go up to 8 to 10 minutes and leave it on for about 40 to 50 minutes and then wash it off with mild shampoo and conditioner. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe my channel for more hair care, skincare and health videos. I see you next time. Bye bye.